This error appears when you try to enable BitLocker in Windows 11. It says the startup options on this PC are configured incorrectly. This means Windows cannot confirm that your system's startup is secure. Because of this, BitLocker refuses to turn on. This issue is common and can be fixed. First, let's check TPM. Press Windows and R. Type tpm.msc. Press Enter. If you see a message saying TPM is ready for use, that is good. If TPM is missing or disabled, you must enable it from BIOS. Now let's check System Boot Mode. Press Windows and R. Type msinfo32. Press Enter. Look for BIOS mode. It should say UEFI. Also check Secure Boot State. It should say On. If BIOS mode says Legacy, BitLocker will not work. To fix this, restart your computer and open BIOS settings. Enable TPM. Enable Secure Boot. Set boot mode to UEFI. Disable Legacy or CSM mode. Save settings and restart Windows. Now we will apply one important policy setting. Press Windows and R. Type gpedit.msc. Press Enter. Go to Computer Configuration. Then Administrative Templates. Then Windows Components. Then BitLocker Drive Encryption. Then Operating System Drives. Open Require Additional Authentication at Startup. Set it to Enabled. Check Allow BitLocker without a compatible TPM. Click Apply and OK. Restart your computer. After restart, try turning on BitLocker again. In most cases, the error will now be fixed. If BitLocker still fails, the issue may be related to boot files. This can be repaired using advanced startup tools. Once the startup environment is correct, BitLocker will enable without errors. This issue happens because BitLocker requires a secure and verified startup. When startup settings are fixed, BitLocker works normally. In the next video, I will explain what to do if BitLocker asks for a recovery key on every boot.